Welcome, folks. Today we are diving into a topic that is as intriguing as it is empowering: the art of commanding respect. In this video, we'll unlock the secrets to making people respect you, earning respect like a boss, and even touch on the fascinating idea of making people take notice. So get ready to level up your respect game. Respect is not something you can demand. It's something you earn through your actions, attitude, and the way you carry yourself. Number 1. Supercharge your presence. To command respect, you need to supercharge your presence and project an aura that captivates others. Unleash your inner superhero by executing self-assurance and radiating positivity. When you believe in yourself, others can't help but take notice. Embrace your uniqueness and let your true self shine. Authenticity is like a magnetic force that draws people towards you and earns their respect. Master the art of body language. Stand tall, maintain eye contact, and let your gestures convey confidence and approachability. Number 2. Respect building techniques. Be a living embodiment of your values and principles. Consistency between your words and actions is the ultimate respect magnet. Develop a genuine understanding of others' experiences, perspectives, and emotions. Empathy creates deep connections and fosters mutual respect. Be fully present when engaging with others. Show genuine interest, validate their thoughts, and let them feel heard. Active listening builds trust and respect. Navigate conflicts and difficult conversations with finesse. Diplomacy shows maturity and respect for differing opinions. Number 3. Influence and boundaries. Inspire others with your vision and communicate it passionately. A visionary leader naturally earns respect and garners followers. Set clear boundaries that protect your values, time, and energy. When you respect yourself, others will follow your suit. Strive for excellence in everything you do. Deliver exceptional results. Go to the extra mile and let your track record speak for itself. Number 4. Mind-blowing tips for universal respect. Cultivate ninja-like adaptability, resilience, and resourcefulness. When you can navigate any challenge, people will respect your ability to handle anything. Combine confidence with genuine compassion. This unique blend will make you a force to be reckoned with while maintaining a deep connection with others. Infuse every interaction with positivity, enthusiasm, and a can-do attitude. Your infectious energy will draw people in and earn their admiration. Embrace a growth mindset and constantly seek knowledge and self-improvement. Your thirst for knowledge will earn you respect as a wise and inspiring individual. Remember, respect is an inside job that starts with believing in yourself and radiating authenticity. So go out there, unleash your inner respect magnet, and watch as the world responds in awe. Thanks for joining us today, and until next time, keep earning that respect.